Hi friends, today I want to show you a product that are boots that I just received. Came in this box and are perfect for any occasion. Let me show you. I have these boots. Look at this. This is like a synthetic skin. I have this anti-slip part and this zipper that are high quality. This part is so comfortable and look beautiful. So let me use it and I say you how I feel. The zipper is easy to use and this part is so comfortable. And as you can see, the wood is right here that is perfect for maintaining your feet covered. Are so high, so you're gonna look more taller. I'm ready. So as you can see, it's beautiful and you can use it in any occasion and the feeling is so comfortable. So I highly recommend it for your work, your daily things to do, or for a party, for a Christmas party. See you.